Welcome to Pointwise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we present the automatic session transcript functionality. This feature will journal commands, which are then transcribed to a temporary file located in the Pointwise temporary directory. The primary intent of this feature is to be utilized as a diagnostic tool or a teaching tool, and it's not meant for playback like the journaling. If you go to script begin journaling, that's a different type of journaling, and actually when you're doing this type of journaling you can't execute scripts, as it is not recommended. However, the session transcript functionality will log anytime you run a script. Any action done in the GUI will be logged again, so that it could be used possibly for a diagnostic tool, or you could use that to record best practices and build workflows and things like that. So if you go to Edit, Preferences, under Miscellaneous tab, there's an Auto Start Session Transcript. When this is turned on and you close this, your the transcribing then begins. And if you would like to know, it does print out to the message window where the temporary file is located, but something I think is important: if you hit Control-0, there's a lot of information that you'll be able to pull from Pointwise. So if you look at Show Installation Information, it gives you a lot of information, and you can also find the temp directory here. Okay? Now, when you're finished with the session in Pointwise, you'll close the session and so forth, and you can find the temporary file in this location, and the form of the file name will be like this. And I'll give you just a second to read through this little part here, the auto session transcript. But the important thing here is the name of the script file. And again, I want to remind you that this particular file is not meant for playback, and in most cases probably won't actually play back. But again, it is a useful tool for building workflow processes and diagnosing any issues in the meshing process. If you have any questions, or if you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line below or connect with us via Twitter, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.